Welcome back to another tutorial in the CorelDRAW course for beginners. In this tutorial, we're going to look at the freehand tool. The freehand tool allows you to edit nodes and object points in CorelDRAW. And this is here. Actually, if you hover over it, it will give you its description. So it says it will help you edit a curve object or text character by manipulating the nodes. So let's go ahead and create some shapes. Create this one, polygon, and lastly I'm going to select the freehand tool and draw a curve. So we have these three different shapes, and I want to show you what happens when we use the shape tool on each one of them. So let's start off with this one. I select the shape tool, come here and click and drag on one of its corners. You can see it's rounding off its edges, and I'll end up with a rounded rectangle like that. If I select this, I can click and drag like so to form kind of a pie chart. So if you're planning on inserting a pie chart or creating something like that, you can use it. It's really handy. You can extend it, you can separate it, you can take it back. So you can always revise it. So I'll just click and drag it back. So just leave it at that. Let's see what will happen if you use this. So I'll just click, hold, and release. So let's add a fill color to this. And there we go. So with the shape tool again, select this. You can see the changes that I can make to an individual shape. So you can use this to create really good logos, come up with cool designs. You can see there are limitless options to what you can do. So let's see what will happen if we use the curve point. So I'll just click and drag, and what this allows me to do is to edit the curve points of a curve. So you can see now I've changed its shape. I can actually drag it here. So regardless of what shape it is, the curve, it allows you to make the modifications to it to suit your needs. So that's basically how we use the shape tool in CorelDRAW. So go ahead and practice with it, create some cool designs using it, and see how that will work out for you.